What happens when a child is raped in India? Of every 100 survivors, only 3 speak out. In almost all cases, the child knows the rapist, which makes her less likely to speak up. And in the rare instance where the child does step forward, she faces suspicion and judgment. The case drags on for years. The child is subjected to harsh questioning and is forced to relive her trauma again and again. Her identity is often disclosed. She is constantly exposed to her rapist, and most of the time, the court does not convict the accused. This does lasting damage to the child. She faces stigma, judgment, and blame. She may drop out of school and may be forced to relocate. And in the end, families are often left with little or nothing. Now, what happens when the death penalty is introduced into this system? The trial will be even longer, even harsher, and much more traumatic. Faced with the guilt of sending a known person to the gallows, the child and her family are much less likely to report. Hence, there will not be fewer rapes, only fewer rapes reported, and fewer survivors. What do we actually need? We need the investigation and court procedure to be child-friendly. We need victim protection programs. We need trained and sensitized judges, lawyers, and police officials. And most of all, we need education and awareness programs to challenge the attitudes that lead to inequality and violence. Here's the good news. Existing laws already have many of these provisions, but their implementation needs to be stricter and wider. And that's what we need to focus on, instead of pursuing a drastic measure like the death penalty. There is no easy solution to this complex problem. But we don't need an easy solution. We need the right one.